7 weeks since I saw you smile like that. You're not my friend, so don't pretend.
Hi everyone, I haven't been vlogging for so long since I left the UK, so please ignore all the awkwardness. So I'm now in my Seoul accommodation. It's in Hongdae after 12 hours. So you can have a look around. It's not big, but it's quite comfy. Yep, yeah, look at the bed. The bed setup is quite sweet. So next I'm gonna get changed to get some shopping done outside because it's really cold out there. This is definitely not enough. My fingers were literally frozen when I was holding my phone looking at a map to find this place. And my training starts tomorrow at 12 and I'm not sure when it's gonna end for the next 5 days. So maybe I should just grab my time to get all my shopping done today. Hey guys, I'm actually rushing over to my training place right now because I have no idea why I slept at 9 PM and woke up at 11. And while I'm still looking for a hot cup of coffee, I see people drinking iced milk tea. Is that real? I'm so freaking cold right now and I'm still rushing over. And then I thought I could get the hang of walking when I was in the UK, but I was wrong. The walking distance from my Airbnb to my training place is actually 24 minutes. Sorry. And I feel like taking a taxi right now. Okay, you can see how I'm rushing to my place. Even though it's cold out there, I'm actually sweating inside. Literally sweating. And I think my shirt is all wet. You can tell how I'm rushing. Finally completed my first day of class and it was so intense. I forgot to take any photos or videos, but maybe I'll remember it tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to Myeongdong right now to do some shopping because we finished early today. It's around 5 PM right now. Yep. It's around 7 PM right now and this is my first meal after the whole day, and that's why I have to get something really good. So I'm having the Korean beef today and of course alcoholic like me. Beer. I'm finally back to my accommodation and it's 11:30 right now. Yes, I've been shopping from 5 PM to 11:30. I have no idea how I shopped, but look at these. In just one day. I'm not sure how I'm going to survive in the next 5 days. So I'm gonna go shower right now and hope that I won't be late again yet tomorrow, and hope that I'll remember to take some photos and videos for you guys. Good morning. I'm not late today and I'm now heading for my breakfast. Hope it's good and grab a nice cup of coffee. You have arrived at your destination. This is my training place. Love the aesthetic here. And the reason I'm taking videos like no one's here is because my trainer went out to get some coffee for me. Hi! It's so cold. super pretty. Hi everyone. I've been shopping a lot and this is my new clothes and my new pants. And I totally look like a Korean right now. It's not as cold today and so looking forward to my training because it's so much fun. Love it so much. Waiting for my daily coffee dose. Finally, my coffee. But this coffee made me late. 5 minutes late. Finished class kinda late today. And then I just had my first meal around like 5 p.m. I think. I'll show a story. It's brought by my trainer. The tteokbokki was so good, much better than those in Malaysia. And I'm now heading to a wine place called Onyu Wine Hamdan. My chicken stew and truffle infused cream. It smells so damn good. It smells literally like a whole bunch of truffle in front of me. My dinner combo.
Korean pork porridge.
I already showered and ready to sleep in my pajamas, but I'm now so hungry and I decided to get some supper. It's actually 10 p.m. right now, but I had a really early meal with my teacher at Seoul. Super good pork barbecue around 5 p.m. and that's why I'm hungry right now. Not sure whether there are any restaurants still open and not crowded because it's 30th of December. I'm not sure they're in holiday or not. Yeah, let's get some food. Because I had my dinner really early today, even though it's now 10 p.m. I came up for kimchi stew. So look how big it is. Not sure how I'm going to finish this. It's 31st of December, the last day of 2019, and I already finished my class and graduated from my course. Did a model of a bald head. It was so damn fun, and the reason why I started to film at the end of the day is because it was so damn cold this morning. My translator showed me that the temperature was actually -3 degrees Celsius, and it says that it feels like a -30 degrees. Even my hands were in my pocket. It was totally numb. In my ankle too, it was that cold, so I wore a pants that shows the ankle. So it was totally numb and the only thing I could feel is pain. So it was really a great day. I managed to finish a bald head model. So satisfied with the result and took a few photos with my trainer because they are so good looking. And I didn't actually wear this cashmere this morning. I was wearing a normal shirt because I didn't expect it to be so cold. And so after my training, I rushed back to my Airbnb just to get changed to this cashmere. So I'm going out for dinner and I'm not sure whether there are any restaurants available. Even if there are, it must be really crowded, so let's check out. Yay, I just finished my dinner and I had wine again, but it was so damn cold out there. And look at my chapped lips, they are all stained. And I can't even laugh right now, like, cause it's so painful. It's almost 12 a.m. but I'm not going to count down. I think I'm gonna spend my New Year first 10 minutes in a shower. So see you next year, and I'm gonna go grab some hot shower right now because I'm like a frozen ice cream. And yeah, tomorrow my flight is at 11 p.m. and I have to check out at 11 a.m. So after I shower, I gotta pack everything and sleep till 10:30 tomorrow. So happy New Year, and thank you for all the helps and all the loves given in 2019. Thank you so much. It's my last day here in Seoul and I just checked out 11 a.m. but my flight is at 11 p.m. as mentioned. I'm looking for a cafe to chill, but I'm so lucky that it's snowing. Can you see? Now look at this car. You might be able to see the snow. Yay! Like, I only saw snow in the first 3 years in UK, and for the rest of the 4 years there wasn't any snow, so I'm so happy to see snow again. Yeah, it's so pretty. When I was looking for a restaurant in the middle of the road, and then I was looking at my phone around like 15 minutes, and someone called me, and she's my sister-in-law's cousin. Such a small world. We met in Yeongnam-dong near Hongdae, which is not quite a hot place, but we still met there.